Hello everyone, welcome to CBSE Class 10 IT classes. Today we will discuss Unit 2 Electronic Spreadsheet Session 2 Link Data and Spreadsheet. So in this video I will be explaining 3 points. Set up multiple sheets by inserting new sheets and creating reference to other sheets by using the keyboard and mouse, and creating reference to other documents by using keyboard and mouse. So first we will discuss about set up multiple sheets by inserting new sheets. So for that, first I am opening my document. So this is my basic document. So you can see Untitled 1 OpenOffice CalC. So this entire document is known as workbook. So by default we have 3 sheets in one workbook. So sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So first we are going to do how to set up multiple sheets by inserting new sheets. So for that there are 3 methods how to insert multiple sheets. We have 3 methods. First one is insert sheet option. So for that I'll just open insert, click on sheet. You can see this new window. So it is asking the position where you need your new sheet. Before the current sheet or after the current sheet. So I'm just pressing after current sheet. You can select as you wish. Then asking new sheet. So how many sheets you need? You can mention the number of sheets here. I can just change to any number. So if I'm just giving 1, it is asking us to give the sheet name also. You can rename or you can give any name here. So it is sheet 4. And another thing, how to get a file from a system, like you want to add a new sheet, multiple sheets already available in your system, how you can access that. So if you need something like that, you can opt for the from file option and browse. You will be able to select the document and you can add here in the sheet. So when you are just browsing that one, you can see a particular file you have and all the sheets in that file you can see. So you can select which file you need to add. So I'm pressing sheet 1 of my session 1 document, and there is another option here, link. What is the use of link? So I'll show my session 1 sheet 1 document. So you can see this is my document. I have some data here. So if I want to change some debug 70, I want to make some changes in that particular data. But I am using the same sheet here in the new document also. So whatever changes I am making in my original document, if I am pressing link, I can see the changes in my new document only also. So you have to just how to make the changes and save it. And here also you just save it and open it again. You can see the changes. So that is the use of link option. So first method we studied how to insert from the insert option. Second method, right click and insert. So just come here, right click, insert sheet option. You can see the same window. That is the second method. And third method, click on empty space on the sheet tab. If I'm just clicking on the empty space also, you will get the option for insert sheet. So this was the first topic in CBSE textbook. Also you can see session 2, how we can insert multiple sheets. So inserting new sheet using the insert option or using the other 2 methods. What were the other 2 methods? Go to the right click, use the right click and insert, or click on the empty space and sheet tab. Okay. Then coming to how to rename it, how to rename the sheet. Just click, right click, rename option is there, delete option is there. You can move the sheets or you can make a copy of the sheets. All methods are available in just by right clicking. Okay, so that was the second section in that CBSE textbook. Now we are coming to creating reference to other sheets. So again, I'm taking my normal base sheet, how to creating reference with other sheets using keyboard and mouse. So I already told that this is my first workbook. I have 3 sheets in that. So first sheet, you already saw the contents in the first sheet. Coming to sheet 3. So in sheet 3, here I need to access some data from sheet 1. So I can use keyboard and mouse. How I can reference to my first sheet from the sheet 3. So for that, just press equal to, then come back to sheet 1. I need 100. Here from 100 I am selecting and go to sheet 3. Now you can see sheet 1.D28 just by clicking there. You can go to accept option. So you can see the 100 here from sheet 1. So this is actually referencing. If you are just seeing here, you can see input line sheet 1.D28. If you are just seeing the reference here also, see D28, that is the cell name. So that is the first method, how to use the mouse. Second method, if I am not using mouse and just pressing, okay, since the equation was working there, I am just pressing here equal to, I know the sheet name, sheet 1 dot, cell name also I know, D28. Pressing, you will get the value here. So this is how we can use the keyboard. I'll repeat how we can use the mouse. Equal to, go to the sheet from where you need the value, clicking that, come back to the original sheet, accept. And mouse, using keyboard, equal to, writing the sheet name, D29. You got the value. So this is how we can reference from another sheet from the same book. Next method, how we can make the reference from different document. I have a different document. I have multiple sheets. I need some data from another document. How can I reference from another document? So I'm taking my session 1. I'm going to use this content here. For that, I'm just writing again equal to, go to the document, select the value, come back to the place where I clicked. So you can see file name, where it is saved, the entire path you can see. And go to accept option. It is asking update all links. Yes. So you got the value 40 from the another document. Here this is another document. I got the value 40 here in my second document. This is using mouse. Then how can I use the keyboard? Write the file path. So if you are just pressing here, you will not be able to see the file path here. You have to write the entire path. This path you have to write. Then only you will be able to use the keyboard method. So using the mouse, just press equal to, then go to the place content and you can use accept. So you got Ravi here in the second document. So this is how we can reference to another document. So whatever changes I am making here, now I made Ravi here. This is my reference. So you can see also here sheet session 1 sheet 1.a5. So just see, I want to make the changes here. I just made some changes. I'm writing name, made the changes and save it. Coming back here, this also I'm saving. Close it. Close this document, and if you are opening again, you can see that value, new value here. I'll open my document. Yes, we have to update the link. Yeah, you can see the new value here in the new document. So whatever changes I'm making in my previous document, if I'm linking to another document, I'll be able to see the changes in that document also. If you are just referring to the CBSE book, you can see it from the create reference to other sheets as well as referencing other sheets. So these are the 3 topics we discussed today. So I'll come with the next topic next day. Thank you.